ng buhay ni Aba. Wala na siyang ginagawa. At kahiga na lang ang madam. Madam, magay ka sa vlog. Madam! Ang sama ng tingin ni madam. Powerful. Guys, hello guys! It's really been a long time since I do this. Because what the frick is going on here? It's already with 10:55 p.m. And here it is, they're all live. Just having this thing and I'm gonna freaking sleep because you see the kind of face, there's a lot of things going on my face and there is also a lot going on here. The parent is sleeping. They're really gonna for really early bird. They have work tomorrow, a lot of stuff to do. But here I am. Here they are. They don't give a fuck, you know. They're just used to it. Used to what I'm doing because I'm really like, yeah, they don't give. That's all, guys. I just want to document this thing because this is really happened. We're like hearing it, you know. It is just really. That's why I want to like document things, and using my hair is really different from before, and the way I talk in English is really different because as you watch me Philip vlogger. Pero yeah, guys, that's all. Okay, good lang tayo, guys. Sobrang ayan siya, guys. Sobrang attacker sa kapasisyon ng Francis. So, ang powerful. Kasi ito, mag-high school na siya. Like, what? First year? High school? Mama, fresh girl. Sila mo, fresh. Tapos nagkakarogyap na siya. Nag-on siya. So perfect. That's why. That's all, guys. Bye, guys. Nabuhay na siya. Did vlog it? Hi, guys. Sobrang puti na mukha.